doing? No! Get off! We're gonna get a bit creative today. Oh. This is so much fun.
We painting!
What do you think? Do you like it? Yeah? Welcome back! Hi guys, it's Amelia here on Amelia and Bridie's channel. Bridie isn't here today, Miss Evie is, and she's going to be my little assistant.
Hi.
We're going to get a bit creative today.
We painting!
We are painting, and so what are we painting, Evie?
The chairs.
No, we're not painting the chairs. So we are going to be painting and creating some pots that look like stone. I've got a couple that I've had around the house. This one I've had for years. If you haven't seen it lately, there's this whole trend going around with having like really old antique stone, like you've just kind of dug it out of the ground kind of look around your house, whether it's been in lamp bases, stoneware, vases, ornaments, all sorts of things that you can put for decor or practical purposes around the house. So I want to do that with something I already have. I like the shape of this. It's got a cool like, oh, I love you. Oh, you are so cute. Anyway, I like the shape of this and I think it could come up really well. I also have this, which I got from the op shop in the haul I did. You were with Dee Dee, but you were there, yeah. So I bought this to make it look like stone, like a really antique sort of vibe, a different color and everything. I love the shape. It looks like sort of Roman sort of shape base. I also have a couple of terracotta pots downstairs and they have dirt in them at the moment, so I didn't want to bring them in the house, but I'll show you them a bit later if I get to that. Or I'll do like some dark elements with brown. I've got some blacks, I've got some whites. I also have this matte clear sealer, which I will use at some point to seal the paint and anything else I put on it. I have this black spray paint, which I'm gonna do as a base coat, sponges, some gloves. Most important ingredient is this joint compound. I'm also gonna grab some dirt out of the backyard and rub that in and make it look old too. Let's go. Let's get started, hey?
Let's get started.
All right, let's go.
That was fun.
That was fun. So, I forgot to mention that this is for texture. So, you can use this for patting it on, which I will show you. First, we're gonna go spray paint this black outside and let it dry, and then I'm gonna add the texture with that. So I have just painted those two that I said I was going to do, but I wanted to show you the one that I think I might do as well. It's just under my house, so it's a bit dark. Okay, so let's have a look. This is the pot I would love to do. I don't know if I'll keep it like this or, I don't know. It's kind of got an old vibe to it still, so I might just keep it as is. But there's that pot over there that's too shiny and I don't like it, so I might do that. But for today I'm thinking of doing this one. You can hear an alarm in the background. I'm thinking of doing this pot because it's very orange terracotta, but I like the shape, so I think it would be great for a stone look. So let's go get that and spray paint it. spray painted all the pots that I wanted to do today. So I'm going to start with this one, and I'm going to add some joint compound. Got some gloves, and this will be really handy if you have gloves. That is a key element to making the texture on the pot look really earthy and like stone. I've never worked with this before, so it should be interesting. Oh, this is so much fun. Oh wow. Oh wow, okay, this will be interesting. So you just kind of smear it on. I did see someone do like a dabby texture, but I might just kind of smear it on and add some dabs later. I wouldn't go in one particular way, I just kind of slap it on in any direction because you want it to resemble natural and organic feel. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry and then we'll add some texture in, some dirt possibly and some paint, but hopefully it won't take too long to dry. Let's get on to the lamp. I'm excited to see what this turns out to look like. So we've got the lamp. I'm gonna do the same sort of process, I think, with this one. Probably not too much of the joint compound, but we'll see how we go. It's really like trial and error and seeing what you like and what the vibe is you're going for and see what happens. All right, here goes nothing. Oh, this is so fun. The best part about this project is that things are so cheap. Like this massive tub of joint compound was like $15. And they'll last you like forever, especially when you're only using a little bit at a time. I can't remember how much this was, like $6 or something from the off shop. But as I said before, I've got vases laying around the house that I wasn't sure why I didn't like them, but we're gonna love them now after we finish this. But yeah, it's just such an easy project, and things like this at an actual boutique or store go for like $100 to like $500. It's crazy how much these things sell for when you can make them at home so easily and so cheap. Great DIY on a budget and lots of fun. And you really can't go wrong. What I might even do is actually like go in while it's still wet and add some dirt. I know that sounds so weird, but I'm gonna try it. I can always rub it off if I don't like it, right? You probably don't need the dirt just because the joint compound kind of acts as that texture anyway, but I just wanted to try it out, and I'll probably add some more dirt over the top as well once I've painted it. Oh, that's in my eyelash. So this is the terracotta pot that I had, the really orangey one that I showed you before. This has like obviously a stony kind of look already because it is a terracotta stone pot. So I won't need to do too much, I don't think. How this is turning out. I think because it's the third time round, I've got the hang of it. The dirt is really holding well on the joint compound if it's still slightly damp, which I am loving this so far. How good is that looking? Wow. I feel like I could almost leave it like that. It looks great. I'm going to spray it with some matte clear coat, and that should be able to hold all the dirt and everything on it. and make it nice and sturdy and durable. So I've let this all dry with the clear coat over the top, and now I'm just gonna go in with some paint and finish it up. And I don't really know what I'm doing. It's just kind of an experiment with all the colors we've got, and I'm gonna go for it. I'm a little bit nervous, especially with this one because it's got the texture, but I think it could look really cool. So I think with this one, the inspiration will be more of like a brownie cream tone possibly, and the other ones might be like more of a gray brownie earthy tone. So we'll start with that and see how we go. I just finished, well, I think I finished it. I'm a bit scared. I don't know, I kind of love it, but I'm not sure. I think I love it. I finished the last one. No, I finished the first vase with the, oh, excuse you, with the texture. And I just wanted to like see what it looked like. I just threw this in. I probably won't keep them in there, but I kind of love it. It looks great in my kitchen. What do we think, everyone? I like the texture. My nails are covered in paint. I'm kind of loving it. Oh, I think I like it, Harrison. What do you think? Do you like it? Yeah? He went to church today, so he's in his little bow tie. How cute are you? Yeah, you're so sweet. Now I've got 2 more to go. Now you're gonna go in your walker so I can finish the other ones, hey? We're on to number 2. I'm pretty excited about how the first one turned out. I was a bit nervous, but I think the key is to like, I used a dry brush, like I didn't wet the brush or anything, and I just put a little bit of paint and kind of like dabbed and mixed the colors together to make the texture on that last textured vase. I don't know if I'd use a brush on something with smooth, like no indented print on it, but we'll see how we go. Another tip you could do is use paper towel, which I did use as well. It gives a good texture rather than just like a sponge, because if you use a sponge, it might just give like a sponge effect and not like that earthy organic look. It's weird that we want things to look dirty. Well, it looks organic and natural and pretty. Anyway, should I do darker or lighter? I feel like I'm gonna do a bit of darker vibes, like a darker gray. This is pretty good. Make sure you use an old brush because it gets destroyed. I think with the first one, I added a lot of paint in the beginning, and that kind of made it look like I had to kind of go a lot of paint all the way around. But if you just add a bit of texture, it's actually, this brush is working really well. I like that. I like that a lot. Dang! No! Get off! Ah. Oh, lucky it's forgiving. I'm gonna get onto this pot. Now this one I'm thinking more of like a light sort of sandy with a bit of green, so it's kind of got like a moss sort of tone to it because it is probably going to be on the deck, or it might be inside, I don't know, but I would love like an olive tree plant in it. I think that'd look amazing.
Oh, I'm gonna come too.
You're gonna come say hi.
Hi.
I love the look of this pot. I think this is exactly what I was going for. I've added a little bit of green to it, just slightly, just to make like that mossy sort of aged dirt kind of look. But I'm going to actually add some actual dirt to it, rub it in like I did the first time, and then probably seal it with the clear matte spray. So let's hope it works. Oh, that does so much. I don't know if you can see, probably can't, but it changes it so much. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Oh, that changes everything. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this look. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is exactly what I'm wanting. Oh, that looks so good. This is the lamp. I'm not sure if I like it. I love this. Maybe I need to throw some dirt on that too. I don't think I like the lampshade with it. I don't know. You know what? I'm just gonna throw some dirt on this, see what happens. If I love it, then I'll leave it, otherwise I'll paint it over. I'm actually obsessed with how these turned out. It took a bit of like figuring out and getting my mojo, but I did it and I love it. I can't wait to style these. I might change this lampshade out. We'll see how we go. Definitely not keeping these, but you get the gist. Can't wait to show you what it's gonna look like in my house. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell button so you can get notified for our videos. And I'll see you next time with Bridie as well. Oh, and if you make these, please send me a photo because I would love to see what you do. Okay, well, have a great week. Bye, guys. That's so loud. You're watching. All sorts of things. There's so many different options you can do.
This cool.
Phoebe, I need to talk.
This cool.
A tray.
This cool a tray. But you can't touch it when you push it in, and then you pull out and eat it all up.
It's gonna be a long video, guys.
It's love mine. You love mine?
I love yours. I love the colors. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.